Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, January 6th. Still seeing cloudy skies out there this morning. We anticipate cloudy skies to continue throughout the day. A little bit higher chance of seeing some peaks of sunshine though as we go into the late morning hours and into the afternoon. The clouds are much thinner than they have been the past couple mornings, but still going to be seeing some cloudy skies. We still have a little bit of influence from that strong low east of Maine this morning. We do think that we will be seeing more sunshine tomorrow, however, with clouds clearing by the late morning tomorrow and into the afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, still have high pressure trying to build into the area over the Ohio and Tennessee valleys there and stretching down into the southeast. And then you can see that pressure gradient associated with that strong low well east of Maine now. And that's what's helping to influence this cloud cover across the regions. We still have a little bit of energy rotating around, combining that with some low level moisture. We are going to continue to see this high try to build in, though. And this tighter pressure gradient, we could get a little bit of a brief gust of wind to 25 knots this afternoon possible, especially if we get any sunshine, which will help mix those winds down to the surface. Otherwise, it's going to be remaining dry today and tomorrow, and then seeing just a slight chance of some showers as we go into our Friday night. Let's take a quick look at our satellite this morning. There you can see abundant clouds once again across the Delmarva. We are starting to see some clearing, though, across the central and northern portion of the Delmarva. Not necessarily clearing, but you can see how those clouds are getting thinner. And we do have this bit of clearing up across northern Delaware that's fully making its way down. So still going to be seeing mostly cloud overcast today, but there is a much higher chance of seeing some sunshine as we go toward this afternoon in a couple spots. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, seeing northwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column this morning. Also seeing wind speeds pretty similar across the column as well, ranging from around 20 to 25 knots. You can see at 3,000 feet, we're seeing those a little bit of a maximum close to 30 knots. And if we do get that sunshine, that's what's going to be possibly mixing down to the surface, giving us perhaps a brief wind gust to around 25 knots or so this afternoon. We are seeing our freezing level this morning just above at 1,500 feet. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be looking at those northwesterly winds slowly increasing late this morning, around 9 to 14 knots and gusty, becoming 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 23 knots this afternoon. Like I said, possibly seeing a brief gust to around 25 knots or so. And then seeing them weaken as we get towards sunset to 6 to 11 knots overnight, becoming 8 to 13 knots once again by sunrise tomorrow. We did see another mild low this morning, only around 38 or 39 degrees, as that cloud cover was more widespread than expected, which prevented those temperatures from dropping. We are going to see another high, very similar to what we have been seeing the couple days, only around 44 degrees this afternoon, and then seeing a low down in just above freezing tonight. Still a big question about what the low could be tonight, as we went several degrees above what the model guidance showed, just to work off the trend that we have been seeing the past couple mornings. But if those clouds finally do break, we could see those temperatures briefly dip below freezing. So a little bit of uncertainty with our low temperature tomorrow, but right now really seeing a persistent forecast over the next several days with similar lows and similar high temperatures. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see overcast skies around 5,000 feet, possibly becoming broken at times throughout the day, with a few clouds near 3,000 feet visible out there as well. We're going to see broken clouds near 4,000 feet for the overnight hours, becoming scattered at times, and then by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing a scattered cloud deck around 4,000 feet. Still seeing tides 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a quick look at our model guidance to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing over the next several days. This is this evening, and you can see that high pressure finally making its way in, kicking that low pressure well east of the area. Will finally start to be influenced more by this high pressure, which should draw in some more dry air for the next day or two, giving us partly cloudy skies. We'll see a little more sunshine out there. We're also the air mass is going to be a little chillier, so not really expecting the additional sunshine to have a big impact on our temperatures. Still expecting temperatures to be in the mid 40s for our highs. And then with that reduction in cloud cover, we'll see those temperatures dip below 30 degrees as we go later into the week and into the weekend. So as we go into Friday, still going to be seeing partly cloudy skies in the morning, and the clouds will be increasing throughout the day ahead of our next system here that we've been talking about all week. It does look like the models are starting to come to an agreement on what's exactly going to happen with the system. It should be dry throughout most of the day Friday, perhaps seeing a slight chance of an isolated shower in the mid to late afternoon period, with the best rain chances happening overnight. Still seeing a little bit of uncertainty with the exact track. We're only having about 30% chance of showers, and it does look like if you're waiting for some snow, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer, because any precipitation that falls at Wallops does look to be rain at this time. Still entirely possible we could see some snowflake mix in briefly Friday night into early Saturday morning, but at this time, definitely not expecting any sort of accumulating snowfall, and only about a 30% chance of seeing some scattered showers. Still have one model trying to give us a little more rain across the area, maybe a little dusting across the Salisbury region, but that seems to be an outlier at this point. So right now, not expecting anything other than some light scattered rain showers for Friday night. As we go on to Sunday, we're going to see some cold high pressure build into the area again. That's going to help dry things out, give us a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day Sunday with some chilly temperatures once again. And then as we go on to Monday, the high pressure will still be in control, so it's still going to be a most partly cloudy to mostly sunny day Sunday, and chilly out there once again. Still seeing those highs in the low to mid 40s, like we have been seeing. And then all eyes will be on this next system that is expected to approach the area on Tuesday, which is going to give us another round of showers and perhaps a slight chance of some snow as well. But still a lot of details to iron out with this system, and so we'll be discussing that later this week more in detail. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we're looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies today, high of 44. Pretty much a persistence forecast for our high temperatures across the entire 7-day forecast. Really, temperatures remaining between around 41 to 44 degrees each day through Tuesday. We are going to be seeing those lows finally dip, though, becoming just below around 30 degrees for Friday and Saturday morning. And then when we get that colder high pressure moving in behind that Friday night system, we'll see those temperatures dip into the mid 20s for our overnight for Saturday night and Sunday night. As we go on to Monday, we'll see clouds increase again ahead of our next system. And Tuesday, looking at it right now, just a 30% chance of showers. Like I said, still a lot of uncertainty on the exact track of that Tuesday low pressure and exactly how much cold air will be involved with it. So right now, just looking at a high of around 41 degrees, 30% chance of showers for middle of next week. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.